Right, let's dive into the murky, often baffling world of cryptocurrency, where the unexpected is the norm and surprises lurk around every corner. In this volatile arena, a single social media post can send an entire community into a speculative frenzy, sparking debates and wild theories. Binance, the colossal titan of crypto exchanges, decided to play coy, stirring the pot with a cryptic message. They dropped an image on their official X account, Twitter, before it decided to cosplay as a letter. This image was no ordinary post. This wasn't just any image, it was a diamond-shaped pattern, jam-packed with golden pi symbols, all set against a stark black background. It was visually striking, and immediately caught everyone's attention. The caption? A self-deprecating jab about developers' artistic skills, adding a touch of humor to the mystery. But in the hyper-sensitive, clue-hungry realm of crypto, nothing is ever just a joke, especially when it involves the PiNetwork logo. Every detail is scrutinized. The cryptosphere saw a breadcrumb, a hint from the biggest player in the game. Speculation ran wild with theories popping up everywhere. The immediate fallout was a tidal wave of speculation. Social media was abuzz with excitement and curiosity. Was Picoin finally about to hit the big leagues? The anticipation was palpable. Binance represents the pinnacle for many aspiring tokens. A listing there isn't just a listing, it's a coronation, a validation of a token's potential. A listing there isn't just a listing, it's a coronation. It signifies a token's arrival on the grand stage. The stage was set, even if the actors hadn't officially confirmed their lines. The crypto world held its breath, waiting for the next move. When a cryptic message drops from Binance, the internet's amateur sleuths spring into action. This pi-laden post wasn't just seen, it was dissected and analyzed. Prominent crypto influencers chimed in, and the post went viral within the PiNetwork community. For them, this wasn't just a hint, it was a teaser, a sign that their digital faith was about to be rewarded. The excitement spread like wildfire through forums, Telegram groups, and social media. Of course, some urged caution, pointing out that Binance hadn't actually said anything official, but in the world of crypto, hope often trumps caution. The dominant narrative quickly became one of imminent listing. Every pixel of that golden pi-filled diamond was scrutinized for hidden meanings. The community had spoken and their verdict was in, something pi-related was coming to Binance. The anticipation was palpable. So what exactly is this PiNetwork that has everyone in such a tizzy? Why is it generating so much buzz and curiosity among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike? Well, cast your minds back to 2019. It was a year of many technological advancements and innovations. PiNetwork emerged with a goal to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to the masses. This was a bold and ambitious vision. Traditional crypto mining requires powerful, expensive computers. These machines consume a lot of electricity and are not environmentally friendly. PiNetwork's big idea was to change that. They wanted to democratize the process. They proposed a system where everyday people could mine Pi coins directly from their smartphones. Imagine mining cryptocurrency while sipping coffee at your favorite cafe. No complex hardware, just a simple app and a daily tap. It was as easy as checking your social media. This user-friendly approach was revolutionary, appealing to millions who felt locked out of the crypto gold rush. It opened doors for those who had never considered mining before. The project was founded by a team of Stanford PhDs, lending it academic credibility. This wasn't just a fly-by-night operation, it had serious intellectual backing. Over the years, PiNetwork has amassed a massive user base, reportedly tens of millions strong. This kind of growth is hard to ignore. However, it's also faced its fair share of criticism. Skeptics have raised questions about its long-term viability. Some have called it slow, questioning when the mined Pi would have real-world value. The wait has been a point of contention, but despite the critiques, the sheer size of its community makes it a project that exchanges can't ignore. The potential is enormous. The journey from a nice thought to a functioning, valuable currency is a long and winding road. It requires patience, innovation, and a bit of faith in the process. For a project labeled as moving at a glacial pace, PiNetwork hit significant milestones in 2025. One crucial development was the launch of its open network in February. Before this, Pi operated in a more closed ecosystem. The launch aimed to transform Pi from an enclosed mining experiment into a fully operational blockchain. This meant potential real-world utility and interaction with the broader crypto market. Another development was the introduction of Pi Ventures, a fund to support the growth of the Pi ecosystem. These steps signaled that the PiNetwork team was serious about moving beyond the initial mining phase. The question then became, when would the big exchanges take notice? Why all this breath-holding over a potential Binance listing? It's not just another day in the crypto world, it's a monumental event that could reshape the landscape. Why does it matter if PiCoin gets to rub shoulders with Bitcoin and Ethereum? The answer lies in the transformative power of such a listing. A Binance listing isn't just another entry, it's the crypto equivalent of a worldwide theatrical release. First, let's talk liquidity. Liquidity is the lifeblood of any financial asset. Binance provides an ocean of liquidity. This means that transactions can happen quickly and efficiently without causing massive price swings. For a coin like Pi, this is huge. It opens up the market to a broader audience, making it easier for people to buy and sell. It means sellers can find buyers, and buyers can find sellers more easily. This seamless exchange is crucial for the coin's adoption and growth. This increased trading volume can help stabilize the coin's price. Stability is key for any currency to be taken seriously. Then there's the visibility factor. Being on Binance means being seen by millions of potential investors and traders. Binance is often the first port of call for anyone looking to get into cryptocurrency trading. It's a trusted platform with a massive user base. Being listed there puts PiCoin directly in front of a massive engaged audience. This kind of exposure is invaluable. This heightened market visibility can significantly elevate PiCoin's profile. It can attract new investors and boost community confidence. And let's not forget the implied endorsement. A Binance listing is a stamp of approval in the crypto world. Binance listings undergo a vetting process. This means that the coin has met certain standards and criteria. Seeing a coin on Binance lends it a degree of legitimacy and trustworthiness. It reassures investors that the coin is credible. For PiNetwork, a Binance listing would be a powerful rebuttal to skepticism. It would silence critics and validate the project's potential. It would signal that PiCoin is a serious contender, ready for the prime time. This is a significant milestone for any cryptocurrency. This is why the community is so fervent. It's not just about price, it's about validation. A Binance listing is a game changer in every sense of the word. Now let's inject a dose of reality. As of today, May 21st, 2025, Binance has remained officially silent on listing PiCoin. That cryptic post with the Pi symbols? That's all we've got. Official announcements are important in high-stakes crypto listings. This isn't the first time the Pi community has had its hopes tickled by potential exchange listings. Back in February, CoinDCX sent out a tweet referencing Pi, sparking excitement, but no official listing followed. Binance itself conducted a community poll in February, asking if PiCoin should be listed. The response was overwhelming, but no official announcement followed. The PiNetwork team has warned that any Pi being traded on existing exchanges is not yet authorized by them. Several smaller exchanges have listed a token they call PI, but the Pi core team maintains these are not official listings. So it's a bit of a muddled excitement on one side, official silence from Binance and caution from the project creators. The journey of PiNetwork has been a marathon, not a sprint. While some projects burst onto the scene with quick exchange listings, Pi has taken a more deliberate path. This methodical approach has been a source of both admiration and frustration. Skeptics have criticized PiNetwork for its slow progression. The Pi core team emphasizes their commitment to a phased rollout, prioritizing user growth and network security. They argue that a premature listing could be detrimental. Whether this foundation will support a skyscraper or a garden shed remains to be seen. Let's talk about where PiCoin currently stands in the crypto market. The PiNetwork team has stated that trading of Pi on exchanges is not yet officially authorized. However, these unofficial Pi tokens do have a price and fluctuate, offering a glimpse into potential market sentiment. As of mid-May, one version of PiCoin was priced at approximately $0.8350. Despite the Pi core team's warnings, several exchanges have listed a form of Pi. The key takeaway for anyone considering trading these tokens is caution. So, here we are, in May 2025, with Binance having dropped a Pi-shaped breadcrumb. What does this mean for cryptocurrency traders? The first implication is the power of speculation and community sentiment. If Binance proceeds with an official Pi coin listing, the impact could be substantial. For Pi coin, it would mean a massive injection of liquidity and visibility. For traders, it would present a new, highly anticipated asset to engage with. However, the mantra for traders should be cautious optimism. The anticipation of a Binance listing could be driving interest and unofficial price action. The future of Pi coin on major exchanges is still unwritten, but Binance has given everyone a very compelling prompt.